Hi there, students. Vast and vastly. Vast is an adjective and vastly is an adverb. Okay, vast means very big, and vastly means very much. Now, these are two really good words for you to use. So, it's a very big house. Try it's a vast house. This is a way to make your English sound much more interesting. This is this is very much better. Yeah, this is vastly better. Yeah, it's very different. It's vastly different. This is very superior. It's vastly superior. Okay, so these are two words to say very, two ways to say very big or just very. Yeah, his work has improved vastly. Yeah, it's a vast improvement. Okay, so vast, enormous, huge, immense, vastly, enormously, hugely, immensely. Yeah, so very vast, very great in size, very great in extent, very great in quantity. He spent a vast amount of money improving this house. Yeah, this is your work is vastly better than it was a year ago. Yeah, there's a vast improvement in your English. A great, very great in scope, in importance. Yeah, exceedingly great. Yeah, in extent. He told a very different, a vastly different story. Hugely, enormously, immensely, massively, monumentally, stupendously. Yeah, they come from vastly different backgrounds. This product is vastly overrated. Yeah, your English is vastly superior, having watched a large number of my videos. Okay, so vast, very big. The Sahara Desert is vast. Yeah, it's absolutely enormous. The amount of space available is vast. Okay, vastly. In very greatly, extremely, highly, yeah, tremendously. So yeah, this product is vastly more competitive than other products. Okay, there's a vast difference. These two things are vastly different. Yeah, this is a vastly greater amount. Yeah, this work is vastly inferior to what you did before. This family is vastly wealthy. Yeah, it has a vast fortune. Okay, so use these two words, vast and vastly. They're great alternatives for big and for very much, or a lot better. This is a lot better. This is vastly better. Yeah, this is a lot more expensive. This is vastly more expensive. It's a big price. It's a vast price. It's a big house. It's a vast house. Okay, so use them. Vast. 5 in formality. Yeah, so use anywhere. Using these two words will vastly improve the sound of your English. These are, I think, a vivid adverb and a vivid adjective, and they go together, and they're easy to remember. Okay, as to origin, okay, this comes from Latin, vastus, meaning immense, or it's talking about the void. Yeah, the immense void between spaces. So maybe a huge hole or something like that. Yeah, vast, enormous. So enough. if you enjoyed the video, I hope you enjoyed it vastly, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, there are a vast number of videos in it, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Vast, vastly, vivid adjective, vivid adverb.